How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make a girl laugh. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the easiest way to make a girl laugh over text or in real life has to be using memes, you guys. So if you're using Facebook, you're using Twitter, Instagram, whatever, you're just texting her randomly, then using memes is the best, you guys. Memes, I like to call them memes, they're memes. Memes are the best way to make a girl laugh. The reason being is they're short, they're concise, and they're to the point. They make people laugh and they're very easy to use. I will put a link in the description box if you guys are interested in items that will make a girl laugh. So highly recommend you guys check out the description box. Anyone can pick a meme and it will generally be funny. Now to pick the memes, you want to pick something that both of you have in common or something that she likes. That way you can easily make her laugh. If she is into fitness, send her a funny meme of a guy dropping a barbell or a guy passing out or something like that. Or let's say she's into hunting, you could send her a funny meme of a deer talking about something or a moose yelling or something like that. Memes, hands down, are the best way to make a girl laugh over text. The next tip is to listen and remember some stuff about her, such as personal things. Then you can poke fun at some of her blunders or some funny things that happened to her. Maybe she got something stuck in her braces when she was a kid. Maybe she fell out of a tree and had to get stitches. Maybe she got poked in the eye as a kid, had to wear an eye patch. Pick anything and just have a sense of humor and it will work out. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.